Stepping into the club now, I know you notice me. Wanna be your medal, first prize, although you cheat. Let's turn the lights up, turn it out, turn it out. You and me like a face-up, building up, building up. Your head's in the blur 'cause of me. You're right where I want you to be. I got you locked up in my cage, you know. My head.
Hey guys, so this is another unit from divatress.com, and I will leave all of the information down below in the description box. So let's just get into this beautiful purple ombre wig. This is by ZURY, and it is from the Sis Sister Wig collection. It is the Slay, another hair, another slay. I love that little slogan. And it is the hand-tied Remy fiber high heat 400 degrees Fahrenheit sombre lace front wig. Now the style is olive, and I have mine in the color SOMRT Selfie. So this is the unit straight out of the package, and I'm a little annoyed because of all the unnecessary packaging, but that just could be me. I don't know, I just don't like all of that extra tissue paper and net and all of that extra stuff. I just don't approve of that. Anyway, this is a lace front like I stated earlier. It does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, along with adjustable straps, and that is the parting space that you guys get right there. It's about a good 3 to 4 inches of parting space, which is really good.
So let it all go tonight. Let me give it to you. Oh, let me give it to you. Oh, let me give it.
So trying the wig on for the first time, yes ladies, it is big head friendly. I did not have to use the combs on this unit, but I did use the adjustable straps, and it is a really nice snug fit. I was very impressed, and I absolutely love the texture of this wig. Believe it or not, it's really thick, and it's like a yaki texture to it. It's not too thick, and it's definitely not too thin, but I did notice when I turned around in this video that you can definitely see the tracks. I don't know why, because the hair is not thin at all. So I guess just in that area it's a little thin. So if you do get this unit, I would suggest you guys wearing a darker cap just so you don't see the tracks, and that's pretty much it. So just to make this wig look a little more realistic and like it's growing out of my scalp, I went ahead and added my face powder. This is my MAC Fix powder, and it just does the trick. I used to use concealer, but I've just moved on to powder because it's a lot easier to deal with, and when or if you want to wash the wig, it comes right out with no issues. So I did use some heat protectant oil. I will leave the link to this oil down below in the description box because it just gives any wig, whether it be synthetic or human hair, it just gives the wig a nice shine to it. And you know, it doesn't make it look too fake or plastic or anything like that. And as you can see, I'm just going in with my Irresistible Me curling wand just to flatten out that parting space a little more. And that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you like this wig and this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.
It's gotta be hard on you now to know the truth, a bit confused. But there's a bunch of us out in the world who's just like me, not into you.